What it do, YouTube fans? Your boy FLA back again. Time for another video. As you see, it's a nice sunny day outside. Got the whip outside. About to wash and wax the car for the first time. As some of y'all might know, if you've been keeping up with the channel, I had a little tire incident. And I had to get a new hood, a new bumper, and all that repainted. And they recommended waiting about 2 months before putting wax on the paint. So it's been about that time. I'm about to wax the car now. And I figured what a better time to do a little product giveaway. The company Super Clean had reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to do a product giveaway with them. And I said, sure, let's do it. So it's very simple, man. All you got to do is, number one, be a subscriber to the channel. And then in the comment section of this video, just put down what video was the most helpful to you or what video you liked the most. You know, pretty self-explanatory and simple giveaway. You know, nothing too major, but just something to give back to one of my loyal subscribers, man. You know, so pretty simple. I'm gonna be showing y'all the products that they go ship y'all out, and then show y'all a little quick, you know, quick before and after of you know, the car, and then after using their products on certain areas of the car, show you the after. And that's about it, man. So let's get it. You already know, first time on the channel, hit that subscribe, like, comment. I'll let your boy. Yeah, so they're gonna be shipping you out, you know, a couple of their products. I'm not sure exactly which ones, but you'll probably be getting a bottle of the Super Clean, and then an aerosol can. And we'll see, man. You know, that's up to their discretion what they go ship out. But you'll definitely be getting a couple of their products, you know, something, a little starter kit, something to just get you familiar with their brand and try out their product and see how you like it, man. So, you know, just a little give back, man. That's all it's about, a little give back. So you already know, man, I'm going to be cleaning the engine bay out with it. You know, I'm going to get this all shiny just so y'all can see what it's looking like dirty. And then y'all can see, you know, the cleanliness of it after I put my work on it. And then, you know, obviously I'm gonna be hitting the wheels too. You know, they still already, you know, not too bad from the last time I cleaned it. As you see, they stay fairly clean too. So, you know, the car really ain't that dirty, but I've been wanting to put a fresh coat of wax on it, man. I ain't waxed the car in 6 months since I've had it, so it's about that time. But yeah, I'm gonna be hitting, you know, the wheels, engine bay, and, you know, probably my exhaust tips and stuff, you know, stuff like that where the degreaser won't damage anything. And I'll show y'all the before and after. So you see, let's see how dirty they are. Look at that. And last time, you know, my last video was what, maybe a week or two ago. And that's all I got on there from cleaning them last time. I swear, I ain't touched the car since. So really ain't too bad. So yeah, let me get to work and I'll show you the finished product. Yeah, let's get it. You know, it's the next day, man. The sun went down up on me, you know, while I was washing the whip. So I ain't really get to record anything afterwards, but you see that wet. And this is after a nighttime of sliding. You know, went out last night, did a little slide with the homies. Make sure y'all stick around for that video, boy. It was a wild night. So yeah, that's gonna be the next one. As you see, baby shined up. Wheels ain't dirty at all, you know. Look, that's after a nighttime of sliding, man. Trying to tell y'all, super clean. You see that wet? Yeah, let me pop the hood right quick and then show y'all the engine bay and see what y'all think. Let me show you them flakes real quick. Let me show you them flakes. Ooh. bit wet. And that's what the engine bay looking like after that super clean. I actually used the super clean aerosol can, the degreaser that comes in the can, I guess. I'm pretty sure you'll probably be getting the can in the giveaway. So that's what I used that for the first time on. Used it on the engine bay. And as you see, it's looking pretty clean to me. Yeah, man. Just basically wipe it on, wipe it off, man. Quick. Took me like 10 minutes. There you go, man. So you already know. Hit that subscribe, like, comment. Stay tuned, man. A lot of content coming. And hit the comment section. You want to win some free products, some super clean. Get your whip looking right like mine's. Hit the comment up. Let me know what video is most, helpful, useful to you. What video you enjoy watching. And on to the next one, man. I'll probably put a little clip at the end of the video of last night's action. That way y'all know what to stick around for and look for the next one. Holla at your boy, FLA Hemi. Over and out. Couple Mustangs out here. I guess waiting on some more people, couple more people, and probably go hit these highways, see what's going on. Man, boy, I gotta say, man, that detailing job is A1. Look at that bitch. Come on now.